Hey there and welcome to first lesson of React.js course. In this video, we are going to answer a very important question. What is React? React is a JavaScript library for a building user interface, especially for single page application. It was created by Facebook in 2013 and since then it become one of the most popular front-end technology in the world. Let's break down what's make React special. First, it's a component based. In React, everything is component, a button, a form, a navbar, all are reusable building blocks. This makes your code more organized and maintainable. Second, it's a declarative. Instead of telling the browser step by step how UI change, you declare what you want and React can handle the rest. Imagine you are building a website in plain JavaScript. You have to manually select the element, update them and manage the state across your app. React simplifies that. It keeps the track of the app state and updates the UI automatically when you need. With React, you can build responsive website, real-time dashboard, interactive forms, full e-commerce app, even mobile app with React Native. So, to sum it up, React is a popular flexible library for building user interface. It's a developer-friendly, fast and widely used in industry. In next video, we are set up our first React app step by step. So let's quit code.